What would you use the dual table to do? You would use the dual table to retrieve Oracle constants. A constant value is not stored in a table, but there are constants contained within Oracle that you can retrieve information from, such as the system date. You can also do a select statement that selects a single literal value from dual. You can't select that single literal value from a table because it doesn't exist in the table. The only thing that exists in the table are column names. You could also apply a constant value to every row. What I'd like to do is to try out these examples. So let's run the first query. Select star from dual. We find we come up with an X. That's the default value for the dual table when you simply select everything from the dual table. Let's take a quick look at the dual table. All it contains is a single varchar column, which acts as a dummy repository for the results of a select statement. Now let's try the second example. Let's try select a.star, b.star from dual aliased as A and the act table aliased as B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the results of the act table, and for every row of the act table I will get the response from the dual table, which as you can see is X. Now let's try the third example. The third example simply allows me to select a constant value from nowhere, from dual, and all it does is returns that constant value. The fourth example selects from dual, and it selects a constant value contained within the Oracle database, namely the sysdate. The sysdate is the system date or the current date on your machine. And here is the sysdate selection. As you can see, 15 January 03. Now let's take a step back and read through these items again, just to make sure you understand exactly what the dual table does. Constant value functions. Here are various functions contained within Oracle that we can use to retrieve constant values from the Oracle database using dual. So we've already retrieved the sysdate. Let's try and use sys time stamp and see what we get. We actually get the date, but in a timestamp format with minutes, hours, seconds, AM or PM. This timestamp is actually -8 hours GMT, which is Pacific Standard Time. Now let's look at the user constant value. It should tell me who I'm logged in as. Constants. The same applies to UID, which gives me a user ID for my current session.